This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending December 6, 2025. The market finished higher this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.22% on Friday and was up 0.5% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.19% on Friday and was up 0.31% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 0.31% on Friday and was up 0.91% for the week. The market ending higher for the week was great, but that doesn't matter to me because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. Oh, and Bitcoin actually finished down minus 1.71% this week, but that doesn't matter to me either because I generate cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what Bitcoin does. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs. I created a watch list I use to help me select which options of Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs that I may want to sell. Looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Rumble Incorporated. Ticker symbol RUM in the second column. It was down minus 7.77% on Friday, but increased 5.17% for the week. Rumble Incorporated is a video sharing platform and cloud services company that operates in the US, Canada, and internationally. Rumble has Rumble.com, a free to use video sharing and live streaming platform where users can subscribe to channels to stay in touch with creators and access video on demand and live content streamed by those creators. It also has Locals.com, a platform where users can access free content and purchase subscriptions to support creators as well as access exclusive content in creator communities. Rumble Streaming Marketplace is a first of its kind live streaming and monetization service for creators, and Rumble Advertising Center are two services provided by Rumble to its clients to help generate revenue. The company also offers Rumble Cloud, an infrastructure as service offering that provides computing, storage, security, and networking services for startups, small and medium sized businesses, and enterprise clients. Rumble has also recently become a Bitcoin treasury company, which is why it appears on my watch list. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 9 different option contracts that range from $60.34 to $205.34. I received a total of $1,096.06 for the 9 options contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 was $30,000. And yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, and that's because I was sure that I would continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. Actually, I already reached my cash flow goal. I surpassed $30,000 in August, more than 4 months ahead of schedule. I'm not going to set a new goal until next year. I'll just keep making cash flow every week, and please check back each week to see how much. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, This week, the cash flow amount decreased from the prior week. This was last week versus this week. And my total account value increased 0.66%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Specifically, you have to understand option contracts. Once you have a firm understanding on how to use options with Bitcoin related stocks and ETFs, this system becomes so easy that you will wonder why isn't everybody doing it? Again, knowledge. They simply lack the knowledge. What about you? How much cash flow did you generate this week? If your answer is zero, or you spent more money than you made, then you need help. And I would like to help you and others, but I can't. Why? Because you refuse to listen, you refuse to read, and you refuse to learn about anything that wasn't introduced to you in school. Do you know what they don't teach you in school? Money. You need to learn about money and the financial system and use it to your advantage. That means extract money from the financial system. It does not mean working, though if that's what you want to do, be my guest. And it does not mean hustling, but if that's what you want to do, be my guest. It means using money to make money from the financial system. That is what my Bitcoin cash flow system does. Check back next week to see how much money my money makes. Later.